So we have so many people around from HR, finance, live examples. So they will never let you get knocked down whenever the situations are tough.
Hi, friends, and welcome to this series, Heroes of Socrati. I'm sure you have enjoyed our earlier episodes with our leaders, got a perspective into various interesting concepts, the life at Socrati, the challenges, and what it needs from you to grow up at Socrati. So, today we have with us KK Ranga, one more such important pillar in the leadership team. So, Ranga, welcome to this series, Heroes of Socrati, and we'd like to hear from you a little about yourself and life at Socrati.
Thank you and good afternoon, Manoj, and it's a privilege to be with you.
Thank you.
So it has been almost 2 years with Socrati. I have just completed 2 years with Merkle Socrati. So if I have to summarize, life at Socrati is like a celebration. You never feel that you are out of celebration, you never feel that you are out of college, you never feel that you are out of your home. It's a very close-knit family feeling which you get, and the vibrant team, the vibrant cafeteria, vibrant HR team, and what you see around. In fact, people love to be here. People love to work at Merkle Socrati.
Ranga, what we want for our folks, especially these folks, people who are new joining, is that what according to you is that a individual needs to be successful at Socrati?
Everybody has a potential, whether it is me, whether it is you, but this potential has to come out.
Yes.
And for all of us, this potential to come out, you need an environment. Merkle Socrati offers a perfect environment to all the people.
Absolutely.
And to talk about, we have solid practices in place. Rishikesh, who heads our HR, has done phenomenally well. There are a lot of wellness camps which he did. There are a lot of stay home, stay fit campaigns which he did, and completely dedicated towards the wellness of entire people. And touch wood, I take pride in sharing this. All our employees and all our families have been very much safe throughout this entire period. And we could get a best support which one could have expected or dreamt of.
Fantastic. Absolutely. And so what Ranga is bringing is that maintaining that sanity is easier said than done. And if you remain sane, you can deal with any insane situation.
Correct. Now it has been 1 year of us working from home. Revenues have continued. Well-being is okay. Made efforts to learn new skills throughout this period.
Yes.
That is phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Merkle Socrati employees have a reason to celebrate. Whether it is our business have grown, clients have grown. This has been very unique to me.
Correct.
While I have been in multinational environment over 2 decades now,
Yeah.
but the kind of environment I have seen, the kind of vibrancy I have seen, lively people, and every day when I get up, I feel like coming to office. It was very hard for me to resist
True.
coming to office in last almost 10 to 11 months. Since the time we have started allowing people with COVID standards being met, I think I don't see I have missed any of the days.
Very true. I agree. In fact, keeping ourselves at home was like being chained.
Yes, absolutely.
And the day things started, and I think we were the very first day we were here. Yes. And every day, this in-person meet is something that makes you energized.
Absolutely.
Kind of
Absolutely. I also wanted to highlight. So there's a Gallup survey which happens.
Right.
Usually it's an employee satisfaction survey,
Yes.
which happens across various organizations,
Correct.
wherein there are a lot of questions which are being asked. Do you have a friend at your workplace? So we don't take a survey, but actually we have a friend at your workplace. Do you have something who you can talk to or go to?
Correct.
So we don't emphasize, but actually we mean it.
Yes, absolutely. Good. I think what Ranga is bringing about is this is the life at Socrati. This is the vivacious energy and a tremendous learning environment which we have. Now I'm going to pick brains on something that is core Ranga's strength, and that is building business, growing business. So Ranga, now what I want is that how did you manage to navigate or sail this ship through this storm and through this turbulence? And what is your vision on this road ahead?
So this has been very tough for all of us. At the time when PM Narendra Modi announced about this lockdown, so we were all in shock states, including our clients, including our team members.
Sure.
And we were also our P&L or our bottom line also were on the verge of getting affected. So everybody was worried, everybody was scared, and if you see the newspaper, media, every loss of employment,
Yes, true.
loss of businesses, shutdown of businesses. But what we did is between us, we realized that we should ensure that our jobs are sustained. We ensured that our profitability is secondary, but our clients are being maintained.
True.
We ensured along with us, our clients are also able to grow. So what we did is our entire team, we dedicated ourselves, and considering the vision of leadership team, all have been safe.
So we were smart enough to ideate, innovate, and try to participate in what opportunities are there. And like you said, survival was the game, which was very true.
And that is the DNA of Merkle Socrates. So they encourage learning, they encourage innovating, they encourage, if you fail, they will not let you get knocked down.
Actually, I totally agree with this thing which you mentioned. People are there to support you, be successful, and see that you don't fall down. Great. With that, I think it was a very interesting perspective, Ranga, which you brought about various aspects of how to remain, continue business, and how to grow business in this environment. What would be your, one or two tips for these new folks who are coming? What, according to you, is they should equip themselves so that now that they are on board or will be on board, and the others who are thinking to come on board should do to succeed?
Take care of people and people will take care of business.
Sure.
So which is applicable to all of us. Whether you are a new joinee, they have people in form of clients. If you join as a leader, you have people as a part of your team.
Correct.
So if you take care of people, your business will be taken care on its own.
Sure.
Second, there are always tough times. So life is not a hunky-dory or it's not a fairy tale.
Right.
You'll have ups and downs. Everybody has his own personal share of challenges. You need to learn to survive. You need to learn to sustain. You need to learn how to adapt. So adaptability is one of the important aspects. So you have to sustain, and more than physically, you have to sustain yourself mentally.
The enabler system is much in place, the infrastructure is in place. You need to leverage it. So even if this pandemic continues, work from home continues, please reach out to people. There are folks like us accessible. Reach out to them, knock the doors, and grow. So thank you very much, Ranga, and welcome to Socrati. And those who are still evangelizing their decision, this is the kind of place if you are looking for digital growth. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you so much, and I would like to share a शायरी for our new joinees.
Yes.
जिंदगी की असली उड़ान अभी बाकी है, अपने इरादों का इम्तिहान अभी बाकी है, अभी तो नापी है मुट्ठी भर जमीन, आगे तो सारा आसमान अभी बाकी है.